Yes, hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about MS Excel. Whenever we are going to start with MS Excel, it's very important first to understand the need of MS Excel, and that is it is used for various complex calculations and the basic calculations which we are going to use whether you are in a school, whether you are in any kind of organization or any work related institute also. Now first thing is you have to go in the search bar. Over here you can see this is the start button. Whichever computer you have to go in the start button and type there MS Excel. Now if you have Windows operating system, then you will automatically get this package of MS Excel. But if you don't have MS Excel, then you have to see whether you have the Windows package or not. So over here you can see the Excel files are already created. We will create a new file. You just need to go and click on that. After that, in the file section you can see these are the important options. Okay, over here the basic options are given to you, that is the new, open, save as, print. So whenever we have to create a new MS Excel file, we will go on the new option. Okay, click on the new option. Over here you can see there are different kinds of templates. Okay, all these templates are going to help you to create any kind of file which you require. Now as we are going to start with the basic thing, we have to go on to the blank workbook. Okay, go and click on the blank workbook. Now this is the blank workbook you can see. Okay, the main thing over here is this tabs. The first tab is the file tab. Okay, just now we have seen the file tab is there. After that we have the home tab. Currently we are in the home tab. Okay, then you have the insert tab, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. So today we are going to understand the one simple thing, that how to record data or how to type and save data in MS Excel, and then how to calculate the basic calculations. Basic calculations means addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, so now the first thing is you can see this is the workbook. This is the whole workbook, and here it is written book number 1, book 1. Okay, why? Because it is the workbook. Like in our notebooks also we have a workbook, and in that workbook you have different pages. So similarly you will have your sheet 1 is there. Okay, down bottom you can see sheet 1 is there. If you click on the plus button, you will have sheet 2. Like this way you can create different n number of multiple sheets. So new multiple pages will be given to you, and this is known as one sheet, means one worksheet. So in one workbook you will have multiple worksheet, like you have pages in the notebook. So we will start first with entering the data. Before entering the data, I will tell you that in Excel it is very important to understand that the worksheet is made up of rows and columns. So this is the columns. Okay, the vertical columns are there, and these are the rows. Rows are starting from 1 to n number of rows are available in MS Excel. Correct? And this one box, one single box is known as a particular cell. Okay, one cell, one box is there. Now if you see, every cell has its own value. Okay, this is first cell. So the value over here of this cell is A. It is in the A column and in the first row. So if you talk about here, suppose we are talking about this cell. Now this cell is of what? It is in the B column and in the third row. Correct? So like this, how you are going to identify the cell, and why we have to identify cell? To do a simple calculations. Correct? So now first we will enter the data. Suppose I am writing over here name. I am writing here name. In the next I want to write any subject, that is English. We are just going to start with the basics so you don't get confused. Then we have maths. Okay, English and maths, and then we have to take out the total. Now suppose the name of the student is Jay. Okay, and he got 20 marks in English and 20 marks in maths. Now I want to calculate this marks, means I am going to do addition. So how to do addition? Whenever you are doing any calculation or you are giving any formula, you have to enter equal to. Okay, equal to, like in maths in the notebook we use equal to after every step. Here also you have to use equal to. Now after equal to, you have to understand here 20 of maths. Just click on that. 20 of English plus this 20 of maths. Okay, so this cell is automatically selected. B2 plus C2. These two cells are automatically selected, and uske baad after that you just have to press enter. And now you got 40. That is 20 plus 20, 40. Correct? So this is the very simple calculation we can do on our fingers also and by the basic maths also. But if there is any complex calculation, like suppose now after Jay there is Manish who got over here 60 and over here 50. You want to again do the addition. Then again simply you have to write there equals to, select English, just go and click on the cell, and then which function, it is plus, so you have to give plus. Correct? If you suppose do your minus, you are giving the minus sign, so means you are going to do the subtraction. After that select the C3. So B3 minus C3, because this is the value of the cell, and press enter. Now the answer is 10. 60 minus 50, 10. So this is the basic simple steps which we have learned. These are the basic things, and like this only multiplication, addition, product or division you can do. Even you can take out the percentage. Okay, so now we will end the class over here. In the next class I will be coming up with the new features or the new formulas we have in the MS Excel. Thank you.